here at Precision. Can you tell what we're under? Looks like our farm truck again. But look at that pretty unit. Got it all back in, converter bolts all in, cover on. Gonna start getting the cross member back in there. Exhaust welded up, drive shaft back in. So this thing gets covered up pretty well, so you really can't see it once you get all the covers on. I'll take a video once I get totally done. But it looks really nice. Should work really well for what this farmer is going to be doing, pulling trailers, all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's going to live in the field after it leaves here, if it even comes back for a service. I'll just note that now. Farmers are pretty bad about taking care of their vehicles, so we try to build them the best that we can the first time. So y'all guys stay tuned for the finished product. Back at you with our beautiful Precision transmission all installed correctly. All the bolts, nuts, washers back on. I can't tell you how many units and vehicles we get in here, I mean, that are pretty much, they're falling out of the car. So here we put everything back. It doesn't matter, I put it all back. If it didn't have it in the hole, it will have a bolt in the hole when it leaves. That's a really nice unit though. Sucks it's gonna go get dirty. Let's see. But it is what it is, part of it. Got our exhaust welded all back up. Not too shabby for some nasty metal. I do a lot of welding, custom fabrication here. Actually did a lot of building on that car. Here's our transfer case. Had somebody asking questions if the transfer case and transmission took the same fluid. It does not. It takes like an auto track, or if you want to grab this at your O'Reilly's auto store. It's a fully synthetic multi-vehicle purpose for a transfer case. And then if you look right here, it tells you what it uses or what it's for, recommended. And it says right there, GM Auto Track. But also, I want to show you, we got a U-joint right there. When I started putting this thing all back together, checking everything out, we had a lockdown U-joint. Well, when my dad was back there checking all his stuff out, he noticed we had a cracked transmission to transfer case adapter. So that is one thing that we had to fix, and good catch, because if we would have put that in there with that broken adapter, it would not have been good, and it would have leaked everywhere. He did get a nice steel one. We did have it back there. My dad, you know, he's kind of a hoarder on some parts, which that's not a bad thing, because we had this bad boy ready to go. I'm gonna hook the customer up real good price on that, because they are not cheap just for that little piece. But other than that, everything turned out to be really nice. I don't think there's anything else to show y'all guys. Everything's all nice back together like it should be. So we'll get this customer's vehicle filled up with fluid, get him back on the road, and get him making that money. If y'all need anything here at Precision Transmission, y'all have a great day. Guys, I did forget something. This is the rear main seal that came out of this. As you can see, I mean, it's just plastic. It's not even rubber anymore. It just breaks. When I was replacing it, some of the bolts were actually loose, weren't even tight. So that's one of the reasons why this thing was leaking out of the rear. But also, I mean, just a dirt buildup. Once you get any sand or any dirt in that seal, it was gonna leak, and there was no coming back from that. So I'll add a picture in the video what that turned out to be like. Turned out really nice. We just were really busy here. As you can see, we have our unit 40100 waiting on a converter to come in so we can get it in. And then I'm telling you, that man back there does not stop. He's already got my 4L60E built. and ready to go in. So I've got a lot of work to do. Like I said, y'all need anything here, Precision Transmission, y'all give us a shout. Have a great day.